Hello friends, this is Comfy Home number 98, a brand new independent house located in Nagarabhavi extension, Sarveshwara BDA layout, close to Deepa complex, 20 by 30 BDA site, 4 BHK triplex house with a studio unit which can be rented out, laser cutting designer main gate, one large and one small car can be parked here. Studio unit is there which can be rented out. First floor itself there is a bedroom. Totally 4 BHK triplex house on first, second and third floor with 4 bathrooms. Premium quality interiors. Site is south facing, main door east facing, all planned as per Vaastu. Towards the entrance complete wall cladding work is done with 2x4 wall tiles. Main door teak wood. Internal doors, laminated doors with salwood frames. All wooden frames, salwood and shutters teak wood. Grey color granite flooring. So this is living room with TV unit. POP false ceiling LED lighting is provided. And this is the puja unit, west facing, all made out of plywood with laminates. On this floor you have kitchen, living room, utility, one bedroom and common bathroom. Kitchen in the southeast corner with utility. Modular kitchen with granite platform and fiber coated SS sink. This is the utility roadside facing. Safety grill is also provided. GM brand switches, Finolex brand wiring. This is the common bathroom. Wall mounted toilet, concealed flush tank, shower diverter, hand wash basin will be provided. Jaguar brand. First bedroom in the southwest corner, roadside facing, with wardrobe unit and dressing mirror. And we have reached the second floor. This is the second bedroom with attached bathroom and study table. And this is the third bedroom, master bedroom in the southwest corner in Kubermule. Cot with storage is included. 2 cots are provided by the builder. Wardrobe unit, POP fall ceiling, LED lighting. Attached bathroom. Large wardrobe unit is provided. Sliding door above and below. Drawers are provided, large drawers. Dressing area. TV unit. Wall mounted toilet to the end. Center shower area. And here you will have a vanity. Countertop hand wash basin will be provided. Under the sink there is a storage cabinet. Now we'll see the third floor. 30 feet tar road is there in front of the property. Own borewell is there, 650 feet depth. 7,500 liters sump capacity, 1,500 liters overhead tank capacity. And seller is also offering the Cauvery water meter connection. Bescom meters are also included. And this is the fourth room. Very spacious room on the third floor with this king size cot having storage. Attached bathroom is there. Wardrobe unit. And remaining terrace area with laundry space. (2,350 square feet of super built up area), and this is a small terrace here with laundry space. You can keep your washing machine. Further staircase is given to reach the terrace on top. 1,500 liters overhead tank is there. This one is going to be installed above on the rooftop. Now ground floor you have a studio unit. This you can use it as a home office, or you can rent it out. 5,000 to 6,000 rent can be expected. Room with a pantry and attached bathroom and small wardrobe unit. This is also having granite flooring. Towards north side setback space is given. From here it is openable to reach the setback space in case of any repairs or cleaning. So this is Comfy 98 located in Saryam Vishweshwaraya BDA layout near Deepa complex. Very good option from Nagarabhavi BDA complex, 3.4 kilometers. All the details are mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.